All right, folks, real quick. I just want to show you this. I want to thank Torino Warren. Real quick video. All right, so $199, right? Subcompact. Nice bag. You got the new charger. Only a 2-amp charger, but you got two 2-amp-hour batteries. All right, that's what separates it really from the Ryobi. Okay. Now, obviously, you can use any battery you want with this stuff. We know that, right? But $199. Okay, make a long story short. For 50 more bucks, all right, right now, you can add the stubby. All right. President Trump experiencing mild symptoms. Oh, no. Oh, Lord and baby Jesus. Yeah, so $249. All right. We just saw yesterday $139 for the Ryobi impact wrench, bare tool. Might have dropped to $119 in stores. All right. But like I said, really just a continuation of yesterday's video. I think you get a lot more value with the Ridgid subcompact line than this new Ryobi. Again, the impact wrench, I'm doing a video. Hopefully I'll have it done today on the Ryobi. It's nice, guys. It's okay. The Ridgid is much better. All right, much more comfortable, much more power. Just a better impact wrench. So $249, you get the whole shebang. Peace.